This here is the Anker Series 6. It is a 5,000 milliamp charger battery bank. I recently had an issue with my last Anker like this. It died within 4 or 5 months, but we contacted Anker through their warranty system and they sent a replacement. And here it is. No hassle, no issue. So that was good to know. And this is just before school starts, so of course it's good timing because my kid needs it. So as you can see, this one here has the lightning adapter right there. Let's see, is it currently charged? Has some juice, but half full. As you can see here, this is the input. So this is how you do charge it, USB-C. And then this is the output. And you can see it is the 621 power bank, 12 watt. 5,000 milliamp. And it just works just like this with a lightning phone. There you go. Now this phone is going to charge. And that's how it works. Easy peasy. 5,000 milliamp is probably enough to charge this battery twice. Like this iPhone, I believe this is an iPhone X or 11. Handy to keep around. So once again, this is the Anker Series 6. This one here is the 621 with built-in lightning connector. Good for iPhones and iPads.